Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sweatshirt, back another day with another unboxing. I haven't done videos in a while, it feels like, because I've been getting a lot of complaints lately about my videos. But now I felt like I've done a lot of shopping lately. A lot of shopping. And me, who is the world most famous for hating resale, yeah, you're gonna see a few of these tags in the next couple of videos. Yeah, I've done some shopping and paying resale, and even paying resale for items that I saw later were on sale on other sites. So yeah, some really stupid purchases in the middle of the night. And this is a Supreme sweater that I thought was white when I bought it, but it's not. It's the color called Natural. And I'm just gonna do a short video, show you how it fits. This one is called Supreme Small Box Crewneck Fall Winter 20 Natural. So it's from the latest collection. And the reason why I do this video is because I am an XL in general. I'm 185 centimeters, I keep on shrinking, and 92 kilos. I wear XL to feel comfortable. I sometimes can wear an L large. With Supreme, I have been an XL for many years. And then like 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, they changed their sizes. So when it comes to Supreme clothing, their own clothing, I am now a large. And when it comes to collabs, I'm still an XL. So keep that in mind. Supreme's own clothing are one size larger than their collab sizes, because the collab sizes are usually the sizes of the other brand, like Lacoste or Stone Island or Nike. So they use their sizes on their collabs. But Supreme's own clothing, this one looks pink actually. Supreme's own clothing are one size bigger. So let's see how this fits. It fits like I expected to, and I'm a bit disappointed about that, because I don't like this fluffy fitment that Supreme usually have, but not always. So yeah, it's the big fluffy fitment. As I said, this is a large. I would not choose a medium for me, because then the arm is just shorter and the waist is shorter. So this is how they fit. They are very, the material is thick as usual with Supreme's own clothing. Lately, the last couple of 2 years, 3 years, they've been a little bit softer, a little bit thinner, but more comfortable. Supreme's old clothing were very durable, like working clothes. So they are more softer, more comfortable, and a little bit thinner, but still much more thicker than your normal, I don't know, H&M clothing or something. But this is the fitment. Unusual. I mean, I don't like this at all. And with the, I don't need all this space. So if you want this to fit, like have a good fit, you need to be very fat. But hey, this is the Supreme streetwear clothing. But yeah, if I had the opportunity to try it on before I bought it, I would not have bought it, because I don't dress like this anymore. I'm too old for this. But it looks good, it feels good. The color is kind of nice. Yeah, that's it. So this is a large. I'm usually XL. I'm 185 centimeters tall. I think that's exactly like 6.1 feet and 92 kilos. You can calculate that yourself. Usually wear XL, and this is large, and I still think it's kind of big, really big actually. Thanks for watching.